I am Mohan. In this session, let us derive an expression for velocity of sound wave for isothermal process and adiabatic process. First, isothermal process, we know that general equation for isothermal process is PV is equal to mRT, a constant. This can be written as P into V by M is equal to RT, that is equal to constant. Now, P, this V by M, we know that density is equal to mass by volume. Therefore, volume by mass is equal to 1 by density, or V by M is equal to rho per minus 1. Correct. Therefore, I'm going to replace V by M with rho per minus 1 is equal to constant. Now, differentiate this equation assuming both P and rho as variable. Apply product rule. P into differentiation of rho per minus 1 in minus 1 into rho per minus 2 and d rho plus now d per rho per minus 1 as constant. Differentiation of P is dP is equal to differentiation of constant term is 0. Now divide whole equation by rho per minus 1, will get minus P rho per minus 2 divided by rho per minus 1 d rho plus rho per minus 1 rho per minus 1 dP is equal to 0. Here rho per minus 1 get cancels. The remaining term will be minus P. Rho per minus 2 into rho per plus 1 is rho per minus 1 d rho plus dP is equal to 0. Now dP is equal to P rho per minus 1 d rho. Now dP by d rho is equal to P by rho. Now we know that general equation for velocity of the sound wave is C is equal to root of dP by d rho. Now dP by d rho can be replaced with P by rho. Therefore C is equal to P by rho. Again P by rho can be replaced with square root of RT as per isothermal process definition. Okay. Now C is equal to root of RT is the expression of velocity of the sound wave for isothermal process. Now, similarly, let us derive one more expression for velocity of the sound wave for adiabatic process. For adiabatic process, the general equation is P by rho per K is equal to constant. This can be written as P into rho per minus K is equal to constant. Now differentiate this term assuming both P and rho as variable. P into differentiation of rho per minus K is minus K into rho per minus K minus 1 into d rho plus rho per minus K into differentiation of P is dP is equal to 0. Now divide the whole equation by rho per minus K. Dividing by rho per minus K. Now minus P into K into rho per minus K minus 1 divided by rho per minus K into d rho plus rho per minus K divided by rho per minus K into dP is equal to 0. In here the remaining rho per minus K get cancel. The remaining terms will be minus P into K. Here rho per minus K get cancel. The remaining term will be rho per minus 1 into d rho plus dP is equal to 0. Again dP is equal to minus pk rho per minus 1 into d rho. Now dP by d rho is equal to minus p into k by rho. Sorry, this is plus. If you bring negative term to the RHS, it will become positive value. Now dP by d rho is equal to again P by rho is equal to mRT. If you take m as 1, P by rho is equal to RT. Now dP by d rho is RT into K. Now we know that general equation for velocity of the sound wave is given by C is equal to root of dP by d rho. Now dP by d rho can be replaced with R into T into K, RTK. Now C is equal to root of K RT is the expression of velocity of the sound wave for adiabatic process, where C is the velocity of the sound wave, K is adiabatic constant and the value is 1.4. R is universal gas constant. T is temperature. Thank you.